Hi guys, and welcome back. In today's quick video, I'm working on this Craftsman DYS 4500. It's a tractor that I just picked up, and I'm going to show how I'm removing the gas out of the tank without having to remove the gas tank. This unit's been sitting outside.
It has a 22 horsepower engine.
I got it to fire up the other day by spraying a little fuel into the carburetor, but we had the typical mice nest in here and all kinds of debris. Now, I want to get the gas out of the tank because there is gas in there, and no matter what I did, I couldn't get this gas to start siphoning out. I removed the fuel filter. Gas from the little bit of gas that was up in the pump came down, but this gas just wouldn't come out. So what I did to get this gas flowing is to simply get a soda bottle. I got a razor blade and I made a little cross in there. I put a rag, this is necessary, a rag or an inner tube around the gas tank. This may be a little shaky. I'm sorry guys, I just didn't have the time to pull out a tripod to get this together. Put a rag around the mouth of the gas tank. Stick that bottle in there. Give it a little pressure from the air hose. And once it gets the pressure in there and that gas starts coming out, it continues to siphon out on its own. Like I said, prior to doing this, it just wouldn't come out. And as always, this is not a suggestion on how to do it. It's just a way that I used to get the gas out of the tank without having to remove that gas tank. And it's still flowing out. I didn't even think there was that much in there because nothing would flow out prior to that. If you found this video useful, entertaining, or if you have any questions, let me know by posting your comments down below. And if you enjoyed it, give it a like, pass it along, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.